Welcome to the second leg of this demonstration. In this demonstration, we're going to take the accounting module, which involves the billing system, school invoice, debtors list and balances, student discount, transfer of closing balances of student fees to the next term, circularization of debtors. We're also going to show you the sales cards, e-collection, school fees, shoes, online payment, setting of the school fees, capturing your expenses, generating your profit and loss, your balance sheet and trial balance. Okay, so you log in as the accountant of the school. If you have been given the privilege as an accountant, now you will see the account module link to your left. You click it. You see a dashboard that gives you the analysis of your financial position for the term, your income and expenditure report, your balance sheet, your cash, your interest receivable, your debtors, and summary of first term fees, amount that is paid, amount that is unpaid, second term fees, third term fees, amount paid, amount unpaid. Your financial dates are also displayed on the dashboard. You also have a summary of your bank balances, your expenses, and your sales for the current term. So I'll quickly run you through the accounts modules. You have your fees and discounts, where you can set the school fees of your school. Now you can choose the label, the names of your school fees item. You can set additional fees. These additional fees are fees that are not compulsory to all students. For example, boarding house. You can include your various fees for the boarding house, uniform, various uniform sizes or according to classes, t-shirts for junior school, for senior school and above. Now if you go down, you see your compulsory school section. What compulsory school fees means that any student that is registered must pay these school fees. Whether new or returning students, they all have to pay these school fees, except they are given discount by the school. Now, the next item is fees discount. If you want to give any child a discount, you can set the discount through this module. You can just click and insert the discount amount for first term, second term, or third term. Yeah. The next item is your invoices. Let's quickly go to second term invoice and have a look at it. So these are our second term invoices. We have the student's name, the invoice number, the class, the amount payable, any discounts, total payable, amount paid, payments, and additional items which you can add. So I'll quickly show you how this works. Now, for example, I'm going to use this child, Dari. He has an unpaid school fees of 1 million naira. So let's assume that he comes to pay part of the payment. I click payment. I set the dates of payment, the details of payment, first payment, teller number, I select the bank, FCMB. Now, the child has paid 500,000. I submit it. An automatic receipt is generated. Now, this receipt can be printed or emailed to the parent. And as you can see, this is the amount we posted, and it has automatically reduced the outstanding balance for the child. Now, this, you can generate all the invoices for all the students. These are all the invoices for all the students in school. Can print it. Now, at the end of the term, whatever balance is unpaid can be moved to the next term. This is second term. Let's assume this term ends, and these are the outstanding fees. If I click close second term, it will move all this outstanding to third term and add it to third term fees. Thereby, you have a continuous flow of information: who is owing you and what time they are owing you. The information is there. So, e-payment is for any payment that is made by parents online through our e-payment portal. It is captured there, which the accountant can view and use to check the bank statement. You have your chart of account, and you have your expenses and payments. In your expenses and payments, let's quickly look at a ledger. You have all your ledgers here. Let's look at FCMB. Now, as you can see, all our expenses have been captured: salaries and wages, staff training, direct expense, examination expense, and we're getting the balances as it is going. The dates, you can search for any item using the search box. You can drill down using dates to search for a particular period and filter it, and you can also export it to an Excel for further analysis. If you want to post, you go to main cash. You select the bank you want to post from. And you create as many rows as you want. So let me quickly fill these details out. Now, I'm making a payment out of this bank. I set the date, pick another item. I'm making a payment out of this bank. Bus expenses. I'm making a payment out of this bank. I'm making a payment out of this bank. When you're done, you click submit, and it will be posted to our expenses account. Bank will be credited and the various ledgers will be debited. You have your petty cash. You can view your petty cash and post your petty cash expenses. Then, of course, you can also raise journal to correct any entry. So we'll quickly go to our receivables. You have your customers. For schools, your main customers are your students. And once you register students into the system, you automatically have them as your customers. These are our students. You can view their ledger and see their balances. Second term invoice, second term discount, Fidelity Bank payment. You can view your suppliers and make payment to them through this portal. You can view your suppliers, add new suppliers, cash suppliers, credit supplier, and raise journal. You can keep record of your invoices, your inventory, your stock, your uniform, your books. Then you can generate your trial balance, your profit and loss, and your balance sheets. Let's quickly look at the trial balance. So this is the trial balance of this school. And this is the revenue, profit and loss statements of this school. The revenue, the estimated profits, everything is there. So it makes it easy for schools to be abreast with their income generation, to keep track of their expenses and payment, and other statutory reports which may be required by government or board of directors. Of course, we will train the bosses and the teachers or whichever staff is in charge of the account on how to use it adequately. That will be all for the accounting section.